feel like it.
That's right. So Kalama River. And it's a real working river. And real sand. Very natural. And there's trains behind us. Freight trains.
Something we don't have much of in Southern California.
No, we don't. Do you want to be in the video or no?
Huh?
You're going to be in the video now.
Oh.
There's Uncle Bill. And then behind us,
Why spoil the film?
or video. So there's, all the trains. And then beyond the trains is a freeway over those trees. Real functioning. Okay. And then, I guess that's it. Wait, back to the, oh, it's so beautiful.